AutoCAD tutorial, basic drawing, step by step. So I will use simple commands. So let us start the drawing. So initially open your AutoCAD screen. As I said my earlier video, check units UN, decimal and millimeters. You want to change decimal and millimeters. Click OK. If you want to grid on and off, you will your wish. So now for the drawing, initially go to here, 3 circles there. First circle 22.12 diameter. So first to draw circle using the circle command, C enter, select anywhere on the screen, middle point, center point. Here you have select diameter and give diameter. What is the diameter? Is 22.12. So 22.1, that is your drawing. So now what next? Next circle is 520. Okay, diameter 20 and diameter 17.88. So draw another circle. D enter 20. Again circle. Select this one. D enter 17.88. If you want to draw circle, you will not able to identify the center. Just to move to your cursor to this circle, then only you will able to see this center point immediately. Okay. After that you will track it, vertical line or horizontal line, like this, guided lines. Okay. Now coming to the next one. So there is one straight line from this point. Middle one circle is there, pi 3.4. Okay. Again draw circle. So center point highlighted, pi 3.4. Pi 3.4. You want to check whether the diameter is correct or not. So radius 3.4 I gave. So now I want to remove this one. Circle C enter. You always give diameter. D enter 3.4. That is your circle. Okay. So check whether it is radius or diameter. Okay. Be cautious. Next one. Draw line from this point to up to this circle end point. Okay. So now draw line command from this point to circle this. Okay. Just simply using the array command, polar array. Here array is there. Polar array. Select your object. Enter. Select the center point. Give only 3 objects are there. 3. Enter. Click OK. Now draw lines from this point to this point. Draw line from this point to this point. Again using the same command, array, enter. Select this line and this line, enter. Here polar array. Select the center point. Give only 3 numbers. Click OK. That's it. Your drawing. Okay. Give the dimension, G enter, modify. Here line, give 9 line number, dimension line. Here extension line, color number 8. The baseline spacing, give 1. Here 1. Numbers 2.4, 2.4. Text, here you want to change your style. Above centered, aligned with dimension. Here it is 1. Text height finger, 6. Primary space. Okay. Now go to dim dia. Enter. Change color type. Modify. Text color. Okay. That's for visual representation only. Dim dia. Select. This one is your dimension. Here this one is your dimension. Here this one is your dimension. And here this is your dimension. See, if you observe, somehow the dimensions are bigger than the drawing. Now for that you just go to the D enter. Here you will view the scale in the fit. In point touch. Click OK. Set current. That's it. And now you can adjust it. If it is any overlap surface, you can adjust your. If you want to reduce some more, here you modify. the overlap. All is fine. No issue. Okay. With this, I will stop the session. In the next video, I will explain another session. Thank you.